Hi everybody, we are Team Innovax, a joint venture between Alta Scuola Politecnica and Ital Design. The aim of our project is to design a new air conditioning system for electric vehicles. These are my groupmates, and together we face this complex challenge. For the last 2 years, we have been working on implementing an air conditioning system for Ital Design pop-up concept. But what is it, the pop-up?
Pop-up is an innovative flying, car-sharing, autonomous vehicle developed also in collaboration with Airbus. The main challenge is that this vehicle is fully electric.
In the last decade, electric vehicle penetration into the market is steadily increasing, but it is still hindered by low energy density of lithium-ion batteries, a very big issue for driving a range. Another way to increase the driving range is to reduce the power consumption of auxiliaries, like for example the air conditioning system. It is estimated that an increase up to 50% of the driving range could be reached thanks to an improvement of the cabin thermal efficiencies. Indeed, the higher the efficiency, the lower the amount of heat that enters the cabin and the thermal load of the cooling system. Let's analyze now our solution.
The use of electrochromic glass allows to easily control the glazing unit opacity simply by applying a voltage. Electrochromic glass can work in synergy with air conditioning units.
Additive coating applied to the exterior of the car body bounce back 98% of solar incoming radiation and emit back to the environment heat in the infrared spectrum.
Insulation materials such as allow for very low heat transfer coefficient and extreme lightness, being made by 98% of air.
This technology pack enables some remarkable improvement. First of all, the car cabin is now 66% easier to cool. Secondly, the cost and weights of the air conditioning system are reduced up to 79%. As a third point, the range has been increased up to 30%. And finally, the comfort of the passenger has been highly improved thanks to cold-to-touch inner material and low roof temperature. Are you ready to join the future of mobility?